Have you ever felt like something just doesn't quite click at work? Maybe it's hard to put your finger on it, but the culture feels just a little bit off. It's as though everyone is pulling in different directions and things just aren't flowing in a way they should. Today, we're diving into a critical topic that can affect the entire health of an organization: cultural misalignment. And not just on one level, but across the individual, the community, the teams, and organizational levels. Hi, I'm Jen Wilson, founder of Jen Wilson International. With years of experience leading global teams and coaching top-tier entrepreneurs, I'm here to help you cut through the noise, clear the fog, and bring your vision into life. So let's break this down. Cultural misalignment can happen at 3 levels. It happens at the individual level, it happens at the community, the team level, and at the organizational level. When there's a lack of alignment in any one of these 3 levels, it creates friction that can ripple throughout the entire company. Starting at the individual level, cultural misalignment often comes from inconsistent values between the person and the organization. Employees or even leaders whose personal values conflict with the company's may struggle to fully engage with their work. Have you ever seen someone just going through the emotions? They might not understand how their role contributes to the bigger mission. This leads to lack of clarity and purpose. This can lead to resistance to change, where people stay set in their ways rather than embracing new cultural initiatives. Here's the impact. It decreases productivity, it lowers morale, and increases high turnover. When individuals aren't aligned with the company's culture, they feel disconnected, and eventually, they actually leave. This creates a cycle of constant recruitment and retraining, which is costly and time-consuming. But there's hope. Here's how. First, personal development plans that align an individual's goals with the organization's objectives can go a long way. Leadership modeling is key. Leaders who embody the company's value inspires others to follow suit. And finally, regular feedback mechanisms allow employees to kind of voice their concerns, making them feel they've been heard and included. Next up, we have misalignment at the community level. Think of this as the collective staff and how they all work together. This is where different teams or departments can develop their own subcultures, which might conflict with the company's broader culture. Fragmented team cultures, ineffective communication, and misaligned incentives. These are common causes of community-level misalignment. You might see this in silos forming, where teams are working in isolation, unaware of what the others are doing. When this happens, there's a lack of synergy, duplication of efforts, and sometimes outright conflict. To address this, we need to promote unity. Team-building activities that foster cross-departmental collaboration can break down these silos. Unified communication platforms are critical. Everyone needs to be in the loop to maintain alignment. And don't forget to realign incentive programs so that they reward behaviors that support the cultural values, like teamwork and collaboration. Finally, let's talk about misalignment at the organizational level. This is where outdated policies, leadership strategies that don't reflect the company values, and rigid structures can cause significant issues. When the organization's structure and strategies are misaligned with its culture, we see inefficiency, slow decision-making, and in some cases, actually a loss of identity. The organization might drift away from its mission, slowly eroding its culture and reputation. The solution here is a proactive one. Conducting regular cultural audits ensures that policies and structures support the desired culture. Leadership must prioritize strategic alignment, ensuring that every major decision reflects the company's values. And lastly, adopting more flexible organizational frameworks can allow for agility, innovation, and constant alignment with cultural values. So what does this all mean for you? Whether you're a leader, an employee, or somewhere in between, understanding these 3 levels of misalignment help you identify where the disconnect might be happening. Addressing misalignment at all 3 levels, individual, community, the team level, and organizational, leads to stronger cohesion, higher morale, and a healthier, more productive culture. Remember, cultural alignment isn't something that just happens. It builds one step at a time across every level of the organization. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments below to any misalignment challenges you faced in the workplace.